Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Clore AI token. Ticker symbol is Clore, C-L-O-R-E. This token just got listed today on a very big central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Clore token just got listed today, September 8th at 13 hours UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CLORE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you want to find their Twitter, I'm going to put it up right here on the screen. It is at Clore_AI on X. And you can find their webpage as well. Clore.ai is their webpage, real easy to find. And on their webpage, they have a full white paper as well. It's an 8-page white paper. So it says POH, proof of holding, is an innovative concept introduced by Clore that rewards Clore coin holders for merely holding their coins in the official Clore wallet. Contrary to other systems that require a certain holding period for benefits to take effect, the advantages of POH system begins as soon as users participate, irrespective of how long they have been holding their coins. This feature makes POH instantaneously rewarding system, encouraging more users to take part and enjoy in various benefits it offers. Also, verification of ownership. To validate ownership of the Clore blockchain of specific users, it is important to have a secure system that could be trusted that the user is holding the desired Clore token amount. There could be a proposed or locking system of the Clore token, but it isn't necessary. A simple signed message with a user wallet can be used to verify ownership of the address, and then it's really simple to get the user's holding amount from the Clore blockchain. Signing a message is really simple with the Clore core wallet. Just click File and then Sign Message. Now, you can select an address that you want to make a proof that you are holding. You can write any message you want. A signature will be created, and it shows you step by step how to do that on their white paper. Each user can have up to 10 wallet addresses under their account. These wallet addresses are constantly monitored for change in balance, so users are able to only use the benefits when they actually hold the Clore blockchain. Now, the client benefits, Clore.ai clients will benefit from holding the Clore blockchain by reducing the marketplace fees, thus getting the service cheaper currently than it works on the marketplace itself, but in the future there will be discounts for other services provided by Clore.ai, AI as a service, and network as a service. In addition to discounts, Clore frequently rewards users with additional Clore coins if they are participating in the POH system. Notably, in July 2023, an airdrop added an extra 1.5% for every POH user, Such airdrops will be a regular occurrence, thereby providing POH participants with a continuous stream of rewards. Now there's also hosting provider benefits. So Clore.ai clients will benefit from holding Clore blockchain by reducing the marketplace fees, thus getting the service cheaper. Currently it works on the marketplace itself, but Clore.ai hosting providers are renting their machines on Clore.ai marketplace for some amount of some currency that they are earning. Clore blockchain is an additional reward. So proof of holding is taken into account now for calculating hosting provider rewards. So hosting providers are motivated to hold Clore blockchain in the future, and there will be discounts for other services provided by Clore.ai, such as network as a service and AI as a service. And they explain the mechanisms of holding hosting providers, and they need to introduce some variables, it says. So there's order price, there's fair price, there's sum of all prices of running orders, and there's different calculations that you can view on their page that have to do with that. So it says their solution hosting provider POH amount staked gets split between all of their current rented machines based on their rental price. So some of the advantages of the proof of holding system that makes participation both rewarding and convenient is number one, increased rewards. Number two is service discounts. Number three, optional participation. Number four is hassle-free usage. Number five, no blocking. And number six is no penalties. Now, technically, you know, they say token. I've seen token being used for the Clore coin, but technically it is a coin because it does run on its own blockchain. You can find their Explorer at exploreblockchain.clore.ai if you want to check that out. And like I said, their webpage is Clore.ai, where you could find a link to their marketplace, a link to their wallet, Explorer, their roadmap, become a hoster, rent a gig. You can log in, basically create an account. Use cases is AI training, movie render, mining. They have all different use cases here for this blockchain. Their partners are on here as well. So low price, you get bonus Clore, powerful API. They have legal compliance on here. So far they've had 632 machines, 63.3 million Clore coins in POH, 3.284 video cards. And yeah, so there's the proof of holding system. You can read about that in depth if you like. They're listed on a bunch of like smaller exchanges like TXBit, XEGGEX, IndoX, etc. And the biggest one as of yet is now Mexc Global. So check out Clore.ai. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one where this coin just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Clore? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.